What's up, everyone? Welcome to the first episode of Shifting Gears with Sean. You may have noticed we recently changed our YouTube channel name from MoparVibes to Shifting Gears with Sean. The primary reason for that was just to cover more content. We'll still keep our Instagram the exact same. So in today's episode, what we wanted to touch base on was the new Hellcat Redeye Charger. For 2021, they're bringing out the Hellcat Redeye in the Charger wide body, which is phenomenal. Everyone's been waiting for it. There's been a Redeye for the Challenger for quite some time, and Dodge just released 3 brand new cars for 2021, and also the Super Stock for 2020, which is essentially a Demon and a Redeye had a baby and made the Super Stock. It's got wider tires at 315s, and it has different gearing, which is awesome and phenomenal for people that really want to take it to the drag strip. So let's check out the clip from the new Charger 2021 Hellcat Redeye. So what do you guys think of the new Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye for 2021? It looks phenomenal. I really dig the new hood. It's more aggressive. It's got the bigger scoop up front, and also the heat extractors are much larger. They're about twice the size if you actually look at it. Also, it's got 797 horsepower, just like its older brother, the Challenger, and it runs mid-10s in the quarter mile, 0 to 60 in the mid-3s, and top speed at 203 miles an hour. That's insane for a sedan that fits 5 people, and it's super comfortable and luxurious. I'm sure the Charger Hellcat Redeye will catch a premium price like it always has, being a little bit more expensive than its older brother, the Challenger. So if you guys like what you guys see, make sure you stay tuned for more details. Like, share, and subscribe. Become part of our family. Also, more content to come on the new Dodge Durango Hellcat they just dropped, as well the new Hellcat Challenger Super Stock. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Become part of the family. Peace out.